Morning. Road trip in Iceland. Episode 3. It looks early, but it's 7 a.m. We're walking to the breakfast buffet. That's the buffet. Okay, let's go back. The sun begun to raise. That's the view from our balcony. We'll lose no time and start driving to all of our destinations now. The sunrise looked in reality stunning. On video it also looks quite good. The window is full of ice because it was so cold at night. We have arrived at our first destination of today. That's the
Seljalandsfoss.
Everywhere is ice, so I put my spikes on. Walking is way easier. We are walking to another waterfall that looks in summer times just amazing. That mountain looks amazing too. That's a cave which is next to the waterfall. Let's see where it goes. There is the end. And there is the waterfall. The way is full of ice, but luckily I've got spikes. This is the Keflavik. In summer you can walk to the waterfall. It looks great. We saw 3 waterfalls there, so 3 remaining. This road here looked pretty awesome. The next waterfall is known by everyone. I'm sure you already saw it. Of course, it's the famous Skogafoss. Up there is a viewing platform, so let's go there. I didn't film the view, but I filmed our little hike up here. There are 2 smaller waterfalls. I forgot to tell you that we saw 8 waterfalls in the end, not 6. We are driving to the next one right now. There is the Skogafoss. There are the Icelandic horses. It's a short hike, so no problem to get there. This is the Kvernufoss. From the air, the waterfall looks like this. This is us walking back. The nature looks even better from the air. The view from the viewpoint at Skogafoss was like this. Sadly, you are not allowed to fly everywhere. Be excited where we are driving, it's no waterfall. This guy wanted to drive off-road or so. We have arrived. Parking is super expensive here. The most time it's worth it, like this time. That's a glacier. The
Vatnajokull.
It looks spectacular. The last time we saw a glacier in Canada, and that's 6 months ago, so nice to see one again. The ice is so blue. Now we want to go to the ice, so let's walk there. A huge stone. The nature looks also nice. Here we are. We are next to the glacier now. There are giant ice blocks. It was an interesting experience. Next stop, hotel. That's the Volcano Hotel. We will stay here one night. The day isn't over yet, so we do something. The sun will set soon. That's the famous church, I don't know why. And now we are walking to my personal highlight of this trip. Do you know where we are? The Black Sand Beach. Just enjoy. We were so lucky that the sun was setting and the sky was clear. Oops. I didn't think that the water will reach me. Now it's late and we are hungry. This sunset and the black sand were just priceless. It was a great moment. So, what should we eat? Vik is the nearest city and there is special pizzeria. It's the black crust pizza. There are unusual pizzas, but you'll see. I got a normal pizza margherita, but this isn't normal, it's made with black dough. The pizza was delicious. If we see polar lights now, then we can say that the day was perfect. The chances are very low due to the clouds. That's such a pity. What did we do today? First we had breakfast, then we visited 2 waterfalls. After a spectacular drive we saw the Skogafoss and then the Kvernufoss. After a coffee we visited a glacier and in the end the black sand beach.